Okay, I'm going to use a book problem to sort of explain this. So you're going to want to get yourself a Libro and go to page 102 and look at number 7. Okay, I got it open right here. So that's a homework problem. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Bring it a little closer. A survey of 4,826 people, young adults, was asked, what do you think the chances are you will have much more than a middle-class income by the age 30? The gender of each respondent was also recorded. Use the information in the two-way table to make a segmented bar chart to show the relationship between gender and opinion about becoming rich. So that's all the people. Up here they've got gender. This is all the girls who answered. And there's all the guys that answered. And so there's 2,367 girls, 2,459 guys. And these are the different answers they had. Okay, so this 426 right here was a female person who said some chance, but probably not. That's 426 out of 2,367 females that answered. It's also 426 out of the total amount of 4,826 people that were asked. Okay, I'm supposed to make a segmented bar graph out of that. Let me show you how this works. In the first place, I wrote all this stuff down, including the totals. Now, to make a segmented bar graph, you've got to pick which of these two, your opinion on whether or not you're going to have more than a middle-class income, or gender, which do you think might be an explanatory variable? Like if I know your gender, I might be able to pick how you answer, or if I know how you answer, I might be able to pick your gender. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to say gender is the explanatory variable, even though this one is not obvious. And the response variable would be opinion. So this is what I do. I put gender down here as a label, and there are two options for that, female and male. And so that means I'm going to use these two totals right here, the total for all the females and the total for all of the males that answered this question. So make this connection here, and then this side will go from 0 up to 100%. So I'll label this percent on the side. You see what I'm doing? There's 0, there's 100, so halfway up is 50. And then I'll go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I have scaled my axes. I'm going to give it a title, gender versus opinion. All right. Now, what I got to do is turn all these counts into percents because we didn't have the same amount of females as males that were asked. So we can't do bar graphs because that's not fair. We asked more guys than we asked girls, so got to turn them all into percents. So here's what I want you guys to do. For this 96, almost no chance for females. It's 96 out of this many females. Since we decided that's the explanatory variable, we use that as a total. So here's what I want you to do. I'll get the first one done. 96 on my calculator divided by 2,367 ends up being 0.04. And then I'm going to go 426 divided by 2,367. That's 0.18. Okay, for a total of, it should add up to 100% each one of these. So here's what I want you guys to do. Go down this column and divide by the total for our females. Go down this column, divide by the totals for males, and fill in all of those percents. Do that now.